and have fun streaming.
Okay, here we go. We are live. Don't know if anyone's in here, but not even sure if I'm streaming. What? I lack sufficient privileges to open this. Okay, I am streaming. Oh my god, finally. Who knew I was live? Guess you did. Oh yeah, I am live. Okay, cool. Don't worry about my subscriptions. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay. Don't worry about my subscriptions. So, let's get started. I just basically copied Bitbot's code, copied and pasted it. So now we just need to dissect it and redo everything. I already tested it to make sure it works. Let's see, did I change the description of the bot? That is the wrong one. Get out. Good. Okay. Yes, I did. Okay, good. And that's the file, so let's change this. Very good. Okay. Got that. Let's change the appearance now. Tell me if anyone in chat has any ideas. I will be watching. Wish I could take that out and keep the chat box in. Sadly, I can't. Okay. Let's edit this. What does everybody want? Okay. What would be a good car? Oh, yes, actually, I know. I've always kind of liked this car. Now it's kind of weird, but... Okay. It's a good decal. Who knows, maybe I don't even need a decal. They don't have universal decal. Well, they do. How about, you know what, let's just give it a color. Let's make this thing crazy. Dark blue. Always gotta do that. Let's do, what is that? What's that? The one that gives it the, you know what? I have one of my card designs set to that, so I will just check in Rocket League. Kind of the obvious reason. Okay. Oh, don't you just love it when your whole computer freezes? Because you're running 20 million things at once. Discord overlay, I'm going to need you to move, please. Thank you. Pearlescent. Dude, I can't. It's fine. Just do that. Hopefully my computer does not die. Oh. Pearlescent and pearlescent. Now, this guy needs to be pink. And no decal for you. Titanium white. This one is what's the... Let's just make it red. You know what? I think red and black would be kind of cool. For wheels, let's just do alpha stuff because I'm very cocky. Oh, Rally Tracks 1. You gotta love it. Whoever doesn't love it, I don't know what rock you've been living under, but... Okay. Now for the goal explosion. What is incredibly annoying? Oh, I know. Seeing as this bot's probably not going to be scoring a lot of goals, it's got to be terrible when it counts. Kind of a weird philosophy, but... Alright. Well, let's see how these guys look. Save and close. Then we shall do a 2v2 and close everything except my streaming service because I don't want my computer to die. How many participants do we have? Oh, it's just me. Could not find, don't at me, bitbot.cfg. What? This is not supposed to be bitbot.cfg. You know, I'll just call it that for now. If anyone is in chat, tell me because I'm curious. Going to rename. Looks. That should stay as a CFG file. Stop that. Close this. And try again. Attempt 2. Hold on, there's something wrong with the OBS. Maybe that helped? It hasn't changed the screen. Oh, there we go. I can't minimize it. Yep, it's working now. Okay. Nothing was forcibly closed by the remote host. I wish I would stop doing this. Anyways. There we go. Okay. Now we shall try. The appearance saved? If it would open. Come on. Okay, good. I know the logo says BitBot. I haven't changed it yet, but tell me if anything's too loud or too quiet. Okay. Also, tell me if Rocket League doesn't show up. Why does it always do this? There we go. Hello, Rufiaba. Tell me if I'm saying that incredibly wrong. I am coding some bots, if you could not tell from the title. Or at least coding a bot. To hopefully be good at the game of Rocket League. There we go, finally. Turn that down a bit. I need 1 moment. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I'm back. Now we shall see if that worked. Okay. Okay, it changed the appearance. Cool. I just feel like the craziest car would be cool. I don't know if I should change the design for one of the teams, but red team looks kind of weird. Although I guess I could just make it gold. I'd have to look up a YouTube video on gold car design. Right now this is just bitbot, so I've done the appearance, but I haven't actually done the gameplay. Oh, what a passing play! No! If that was finished, that would have been incredible. Tactical nuclear explosion, of course. Okay, cool. So they look alright. Now I need to turn my graphics quality down. At least for now. There we go. When did I start coding? That's a good question. So I started coding maybe close to 2 years ago, but then I took a break for like a year because I didn't really like it, but then I got back into it. I started playing a different game than Rocket League, Star Wars Battlefront 2, and I didn't really enjoy Rocket League at that time, so I didn't really enjoy coding Rocket League bots. But since then I've gone back into Rocket League, and I've gone back into coding. So I'd say roughly 6 months to a year overall. I'm not actually very good. I've been taking a Python coding class, which has been helping a lot. But okay, enough staring at bots. Let's work. Am I cheating? What do you mean by cheating? Define cheating. Alright, so pause that. Now, this is from the Discord, that one video I did. If you guys haven't watched it, it's just the inside the bot with bitbot thing. So I have all these things, so I'll need to take these guys out first. And then I shall just start reassembling this, because right now it doesn't even work for 1v1, it'll just break. Is coding cheating? No, it is an official API which logs into Rocket League. These people, the people on the Discord, which is the main communications we have for rlbot, they use an official API that Rocket League approved them for. And that's basically it. It doesn't allow you to use it in online matches or anything, or even private matches. There is a way to play with friends, but you have to download a couple of things. It's not that hard though. So no, you can't cheat. That was just an offline match right here against bots. Okay, so first let's take out all the things that involve teammates. So closest friend location, right? We need to take that out. Well, first we need to take out closest friend. Hold on, give me 1 sec. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So let's just go down here and find anything that requires teammates. That does not. This does not. This does not either. I'm gonna take that out. I'll keep it there. It's actually kind of useful for people looking at my code for the first time. That does not. That does not. That does not. That does not. My distance closest. Hello, future. How's it going? Targets closest. Oh, that's actually useful. I haven't used that before. Shots. My point. Agent out loud. Focal to full. Full distance of all. That's fine. Closest foe is not required, but I'll keep it because agent.foes 0 is a lot to type every time. Let's just make it foe. Although then I have to change a bunch of things, so maybe not. Maybe I will actually. And then we can take this out because this is just closest foe. So there we go. Closest friend is friend 0. Well, we have no friends, so we can just take all of that out. I believe that is everything that I will need. There we go. Okay. I'm glad you're good. I'm doing okay myself, all things considered. Considered, oh my god. Considered. Pandemic and all. The inside, full vol, 0. So this is not defined, that's why it's yellow, but there are no friends to ball. So we'll just say if kickoff flag, then push kickoff. I will need to rewrite that kickoff because it stinks, and if I don't want to get speed flipped on for every kickoff, that will be a problem. Did not mean to put caps lock on. Hi, good luck with this code. It's going to be hard. Yeah, I mean, I've made one before, but this time I only have 2 months, so I kind of need to speedrun this. Foe is close. Do you guys think it should go for bumps? That would probably be some easy open nets for the opponent if they manage to get away. I'll come back to that. Okay. Closest friend location, can take that out. Friend is close to ball, also can take that out. So it's good. That one's good. And then that one is also fine. Okay. So I think it's been distilled a little bit. So now let's build it back up. First of all, let's make some precautions to say, like, last ditch attempts to keep it for me to score down. So kickoff is obviously going to be the highest priority in the list. So let's do an elif here. Elif ball dot locate. No. I've been working with multiple utils, so bumps, yes. Yeah, the problem is it doesn't like predict where the card's gonna go, so it just follows it around mindlessly, and it uses boost. But if it has no boost, it'll just be following the card at its max speed. And then if the opponent has boost, it can just drive away from it in a straight line and just hit the ball and bib out. Well, this one's called Don't At Me. I don't know why. Probably because it's going to be terrible. And everybody will be on Discord at my username, your boss stinks. So, agent.ball.location minus agent. How old am I? I'm 14. Location. I've heard it's good to start coding young, so not magnitude, so it's less than what? Let's do 2300. So if it's relatively close to the goal, you can't make it. That's difficult because short shots are. Where did I type CFO? What? I think that says foe, not CFO. Okay. Let's do. You know what? Let's try a jump shot, and if that's hard, too hard, then we'll. I need to make a new tuple upfield goal. Let's make a new one of these. Let's do. No, not my net. Let's do. So this would be to shoot it in between the opponent's posts. This is left field and right field, which is upfield. So let's do a tuple of the opponent's posts, which is this, but it's backwards. So it'll shoot anywhere that's not in between the right and left posts. How long have I been creating rlbots? About 6 months. I'm not that great at coding yet, so. But I've been taking some classes and working on it. Friendgil. Right post, I think you have to do first. Left post. Okay. Now, let's put you under there. How do you do this? I'm just going to copy paste this. I'll put that. Doesn't actually have to be 0. Go. And then we're going to you want to get into CLDI. What is CLDI? And thank you for calling it impressive enough to keep up. Shagan. So let's do not my net. I think that's what I put up here, right? Yes, okay. Now it is time to test this. So it reloaded it, so let's see if it still works. No, it does not. Figures. Foe is close. List index is out of range. Huh? Oh, wait. I think I know what the problem is here. You want to get into code and bots and RLD creators. There are some good tutorials by the utils that I'm using. Scratch is obviously the easiest place to start. Foe is closest not to find. So foe is oh my god, I'm losing my train of thought. Gosling utils is one I am using right now. It's very easy, and I needed to whip together a bot fast, so instead of taking a long time to make one, I decided to just use this. Hold on, let me see what you're saying really quick. Okay, weird. And the Goose Fairy has a good tutorial. I will post it in chat. Hold on. It's for Python. Scratch is obviously the easiest, but they don't have any video tutorials. But there are other Scratch video tutorials, and it's not much different than the rlbot. Scratch coding is not much different than regular Scratch coding. Give me 1 sec. I'm posting the YouTube video. Come on, where is it? Ah, there it is. Okay. Okay, found it. There's the whole series, but of course start with the first one. You copy paste this link. And there you go. Okay, so back to it. Foe is close is not to find. Where is that? 53, right here. Is it not here somewhere? Oh, what? Oh, I deleted that. Okay. I guess I'll put it back in. No, I'm just gonna delete that line of code for now. Goodbye. I decided you are not worth keeping, mostly because I don't want to put in the time and effort to try to fix you. I'm assuming it did not reload, correct? No, it didn't. So this will have to be restarted. Which is fine, but it just takes time. There we go. Okay. large boost might be referenced for and it's not. I have some other projects I'm working on. If you guys want to see them, let me know. I could do videos on them and such. I don't have a lot of time to do videos right now with school and all, and of course the holidays, but based coder, what does that mean? Did you mean to say biased or something? I still don't really know what that means in context, but I mean, I know what it means, but I don't really know what it means, what you're trying to say right now. Notepad. That's weird. It should be called... Maybe I just had the older version open. No, it's called Don't At Me Info. Okay. Well, here we go. Attempt numero dos. Waiting for the arcs. Okay. Here we go. Let's see if this is going correctly. Hopefully fix that. Fingers crossed. I am from the US. Okay, it works. We're good, I hope. Hold on, wait. Oh, I gotta test if it works for 1v1, duh. I'll put in 1v1 against myself, so I can test out its features. Okay, there we go. Gotta turn on my controller and such. The fact that you gave up on the code because you simply didn't want to put in the effort to fix it, I don't know. Not right now, at least. I could have fixed it quite easily. I just was deciding whether I wanted to, use it or not in the first place. And then I decided I didn't. So, let's see. Will it error out now? No, surprisingly it's not. But is it? I think it's actually doing what it's told to for once. Okay. It's very chasey, but... Okay, so it's defending. I don't know why. Now it's going for a shot. Maybe I'll re-implement bunch later. Okay. I'll let it have kickoff. We'll save that. And now we shall shoot it. Okay, it's already walked in with a shot goal. Sadly, it's not printing what it's... Oh. I can just make it print it. Oh my god. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Let's see. Print. Let's say... defending. Now, that should reload it. Game seconds is out of bounds. How dare you? That appears to be still working. Alright. Why? There we go. Okay. Now we shall see if it actually defends. Now let's see if it said anything. Okay, it didn't, so that's something. Not something good, obviously, but something nonetheless. Oh my god, it's too good for me. Okay. Now we shall have it defend. Okay, let's see. Said anything? My computer froze. That's cool. Nothing. Okay. You know what? Let's do if it's 7,000. Just for fun. Did it reload again? Okay, it did. Oh, wait. Okay. So it does do it. Okay, cool. I just didn't notice that before. Awesome. So I think 2,300 is a good number generally. defending. These long shots are good. I don't know. Some lower tier bots probably couldn't save them. And seeing as Bitbot is so defensive, it could probably boost starve. Alright. I guess I'll 1v1 it for a sec to see its strengths and weaknesses, kind of. Don't worry about my lack of rocket leaguing skills. What happened here? I whiffed. Obviously, okay. You know what, let's put it against another bot. That's probably the only way I'm gonna be able to figure out. What's a good benchmark? Why don't you put your game borderless? I don't know. It's in full screen. I don't really care about that. I suppose I will, though. It's actually kind of a good idea. You know what? Let's just have it absolutely get clapped by wildfire. But come on. There we go. Okay. Let's do... Okay. Yep. Thank you for just... There we go. Okay. Don't really see the difference between full screen and borderless, but... No. Let's see if it can hold up to one of the historically good bots. It's still pretty good, I think. I hope. It's a good shot. Okay. Alright. Oh my gosh. The aerials are real. Well. Easy counterattack for wildfire. You can all attack. Oh, you can. I didn't know that. Thank you. See, I hope I would get a few wise tips from chat. It appears I did. Racist boost. Okay. Can it save this? No, it's pretty slow. It's very methodical. Which can be good sometimes, but not so good. Okay. Prioritizes boost quite a bit. Ay, 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 what did it do there? Why did it go inside the net when the defense location's over there? Okay. That's unfortunate. I don't know what KSMB glories means. Unfortunately. Save it. Nice. Alright. Those wall shots are giving me a bit of trouble. It's good it's able to adapt to those touches, because we don't want it to get past it. What a pinch. Nice bang. Aw, that's just unlucky. Yikes. Okay, good night. Thank you. You'll be able to watch